everyone, I'm Abigail from Zappos.com, and today I'm showing off this style from Tory Burch. Feel posh carrying around this gorgeous bag. It's crafted with a soft leather exterior and it's available in a variety of colorways. There are 3 different ways to carry this bag. There's a top carrying handle, this detachable chain shoulder strap, and then this detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. There's a slip pocket at the back that's going to be a great place for storing items you want quick access to, and it features the Tory Burch logo up front. It also doubles as a turn lock closure that will open you up into the inside. It's lined on the inside and there are 2 different compartments. You've got this front compartment and then this back compartment here, which features 2 front slip pockets and then a back zipper pocket for plenty of storage. It features a flat base, so it's going to stand on its own. You'll stay extra fab with this bag, so pick up yours today. It's from Tory Burch.